Hey everyone, welcome to the channel Learning with Fun. Here you can learn concept very easily. Subscribe the channel, don't forget to press bell icon and share the video. Today we are going to understand letter writing. Yes, our today's topic is letter writing. Letter writing is very simple, but sometimes students have doubt regarding that. They face difficulty while writing letter. But believe me, after watching the video, you will be able to understand letter very clearly. When we want to say something to someone, we say directly or talk face to face, but something we cannot say directly, or when anyone is far from us, we write a letter to him or her. So while writing letter, there are such points we should keep in our mind. See, letter writing is an essential skill one must possess. Letters are written for various purposes. Letters of complaint, thank you letter, letter of invitation, job application, and so on. A good letter results when we say exactly what we want to say using an appropriate tone. While we are writing a letter, we should keep such points in our mind, like we should include all the relevant information. Avoid spelling and grammatical mistakes as well as careless mistake. Keep your sentences short and use simple language that will be easy to understand. Be as if you are talking to the reader. Avoid using passive voice while you are writing letter. Letters are of two types, formal and informal. Formal letters are actually official or business letter. They are strictly written in a formal style. The tone is more informal than your everyday language. Unnecessary word, fly language, or expression of emotion is strictly avoided while we are writing letter. Here we write letter to the editor, to the collector, to manager, to director, business letter, official letter, complaint letter. Informal letters which you write to your friends, relatives, or people you know well. These kinds of letter are more personal. There is no definite length of such letters. You can write whatever you want to. So letter is of two types, formal and informal. While we are writing letter, our format should be proper. So let's see the format of formal letter. First we see the format of formal letter. Sender's address. After that leave the space. Date should be in correct format. After that leave space. After that receiver's address. Subject like in which subject you are writing, like ban polybag. So you have to write here ban polybag. After that you have to leave space. Salutation, body of letter, details, why, measures, thanking, yours truly. Never use apostrophe in yours here. After that your name or signature. This is the format of formal letter. Here format of informal letter. What is the format of informal letter? Sender's address, leave space, date should be in correct format. After that leave space, salutation, body of the letter, subscription, here signature, or we can say your name. See the example. You are Kavita Khanna, a resident of 50C Push Vihar, New Delhi. Write a letter to the editor of India Today magazine about the article on banned polybags published in the latest edition. Here you can easily understand this is a formal letter. How? Here you have to write the letter to the editor. And I explained you that While we are writing a letter to the editor, this is a formal letter. So we have to follow the format according to the formal letter. First, sender's address. Here mention sender's address, 50C Push Vihar, New Delhi. After that, leave space. Date should be in a correct format. After that, leave space. Receiver's address, the editor, India Today, New Delhi. Subject. Here subject, ban poly bags. You can see subject from the question only. Ban poly bags. After that, leave space, sir. I totally agree with the view published in the article Ban Poly Bags. It is a fact that polybags are harmful due to their non-biodegradable nature. They don't decompose, instead they choke the drainage system. Most animals eat them and die in the long run. If they are burnt, their obnoxious smell pollutes the atmosphere. I request the people at large, in their interest and in the interest of Mother Earth, to wake up this problem. Everyone should stop using poly bags, jute bags, paper bags, etc. should take their place. Thank you. Yours truly, Kavita Khanna. Kavita Khanna, here we write the name of Kavita Khanna because in the question there is mentioned that you are Kavita Khanna. Here you observe that we are giving only relevant information. We keep our sentences short and use simple language. We avoid using passive voice. See the example of informal letter. Write a letter to your father asking some money for buying some books. Here you have to write the letter to your father. And what is question saying? Question is saying that you have to write letter to your father asking some money. You want some money from him and you have to write about money for buying some books. So you have to mention in the body that you want money for buying some books. See the format, sender's address. Here in the question there is no such address mentioned. So you can write any address like 45A I Kamla Apartment, Lakshmi Nagar, Delhi. After that you have to leave the space. Date should be in a proper, or we can say correct format. Leave the space. Dear father, because we are writing letter to the father. I received your letter. See guys, don't start in such a way that I want money, send me money. No, before such, start your concern, give your concern relating to your family also. While you are writing a letter to your father or your relatives, you should show some concern like, see, I received your letter yesterday and was glad to know that Sony did well in her exam. Here we talk about sister. You will be delighted to know that I stood first in the inter-school debate competition held in our school on the last Friday. Tell about yourself. Little bit tell about yourself also. After that, my exams are going to start next week. I am working hard for my examination. I need some money to buy some books for the preparation. Here we mentioned that we need some money for buy some books for the preparation. Please send me 500 rupees. Mention how much amount you want. Please send me 500 rupees by money order as soon as possible. Please convey my best regard to mummy and love to Sony. Your affectionately. Here in the question there is no mention name. Name is not mentioned, so you have to write your name, or we can say A, B, C, X, Y, Z, whatever you want to write. So in this format you have to write informal letter. I hope you understand the letter, or we can say how you can write letter clearly, or we can say properly. If my video is helpful for you, please like the video. Thank you guys.